Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wi-Fi in your Jio Keypad phone. First, navigate to your phone's main menu and select Settings. From there, find the Network and Connectivity option. Within this section, you'll see the Wi-Fi setting. Simply toggle it on to activate the Wi-Fi feature. This initial step is crucial for discovering available networks around you, setting the stage for seamless internet access on your device. Once Wi-Fi is enabled, your Jio phone will automatically scan for nearby networks. A list of available Wi-Fi connections will appear on your screen. Carefully select the network you wish to join. If the network is secured, a prompt will ask you to enter the password. Type in the correct password, ensuring accuracy, and then confirm. Your phone should then connect, indicated by a Wi-Fi icon appearing on your status bar, granting you internet access. Encountering connection issues can be frustrating, but many are easily resolved. A simple restart of both your Jio phone and the Wi-Fi router often fixes minor glitches. Also, ensure your phone's software is up to date, as updates can improve connectivity. Double-check that you've entered the Wi-Fi password correctly. Even a single wrong character can prevent connection. These steps address the most common reasons for Wi-Fi problems. To get the best Wi-Fi experience, keep your Jio phone within a good range of your router, ideally within 10 to 15 feet for optimal signal strength. Closing background applications that consume data can also significantly improve your browsing speed. If you're in a larger home or office, consider using a Wi-Fi extender to boost the signal in dead zones. These simple adjustments can make a big difference in your internet performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.